Hi, today I am going to solve this problem. Before we start, I will tell you something about this problem. Actually, I have tried to solve with my own side, and I have researched about what will be the best time complexity within order of n. So I am solving this in order of n. And before going to the write the code, let's understand the problem here. Given an array of characters, like this given example, characters like in array form, and output return will be we have to here the output means ki we have to store the output result in the same array in from 0 index to like this 0 index will be the a, and at 1 index will be 2, and like this. If the number of count is equal to 1, then no need to print the 1, like this. Here you can see if a is equal to number of a 1, then no need to print the 1 in the array. Skip this. If we have the number of character is more than 10, so then we have to print the like this. Suppose here the b is 12, then you can see here b 1 and 2, like this. If less than 10 and greater than 1, then you can single directly whatever the value will be printed. So let's start this problem. And so one thing, we have to at last we have to print the length, not we have to return the this string. We have to only return the length of the this string array. Okay, let's start. I initialize the two variable. Read is equal to 0, and let the right is equal to while read less than c after length. Let current string, I'm moving to one by one character. Then I first current string will start from the first character of the array. Change of read, and let's start one count variable to store the number of character, same character. Where in this section I will use one more loop to count the same character. What? Release them and current str is equal to char and read. If this true, then I increase the count with 1, and read we also increased. Once the suppose in this example 1 1 1, 1 a 2 times, so this loop will be executed after 2 time a. Then I will update the char character list with read, not read, write plus is equal to current with current string, and whatever with the count I will check if the count greater than 1, then we have only if the count is greater than 1, then we have to push that number in the character array. Let num first I convert the number in the string form. Str is equal to c count to string. Then I use for loop, let char of num str, then I replace current string with write index is equal to char. Right will be the value where the I, how many times I have replaced the number actual compressed string. It means key count and compressed character. Though then after that compression I will return the right variable length. Let's see what is the this work. I hope it work. Let's submit this. That's work. Great. Thanks.